Everything should be focused. Hello. Um, this is Metro Exodus. If you know anything about this game, cool. If you don't, get fucking ready, cause shit. I decided to start with this one because it's newer, and even though it is newer, it does kind of like softly drop you into the game, see, like the series, I guess. Um, I have all of them. I'm definitely gonna record 2033 and Last Light, and I'll post those as well whenever that'll be up. Probably like fucking next year. I don't know, but at some point, I can get to that. But yeah, so I would try to sum this game up in terms of the story, but I feel like that would take a really, really, really long time, so I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna subject you to sitting to here listening to me ramble. I'd rather you just watch me play the fucking game, and there you go, you just figure it out. If you want to know more, I suggest you Google it, because it's a lot, but it is pretty cool. This game is based off of a book series, so there you go.
I still remember life before the war. I remember that we used to be different. We used to live up there, on the surface. We used to be the masters of the whole world.
That's right.
We built gigantic cities of glass and steel. We crossed the oceans at will. And we also conquered the skies. There used to be 7 billion of us.
I've already played this. I feel like I should
not born for life in the
say that
tunnels.
probably. I've already played this. I played every Metro game. I just wanted to record it for YouTube. There we go.
The 7 billion were wiped out by the last war. Only 50,000 managed to survive underground, with the surface poisoned, burned, and teeming with horrible monsters. One day the radiation on the surface might subside, and our grandchildren or their grandchildren might be able to return there. At least that's what my brothers in arms from the Order believe. Basically, there was no hope for us right off the start. Still, we humans are just too bad at surrendering. We tried to make the best of what we had, banded together, and worked to make the Metro our new home. After all, it might well be the only place left on Earth for humans to live. For a time, we thought we could make it. But, regrettably, the war didn't kill our bad habits. In the relative safety of the tunnels, corruption festered. And when danger came from above the ground, only a few of us stood against it, our numbers dwindling by the day. But I remember we were born for a better life. And I can't accept that I'm destined to grow old and die underground. I don't care if I'm called an idiot. But if even a single shard of the old world still exists out there, I have to find it. Between endless years of hopeless existence and even a single moment of hope, I must choose hope. I must find that signal.
I'm super excited for the next game, which I believe is coming out this winter, or the winter of this year, 2026. Metro 20, I think it's 2039. I'm looking forward to that. I'll play that and record it for YouTube as well if you guys want me to. There we go. Here we go. Yeah, it's set up pretty much like the old games. Like I said, I've already played this, but over the past, I'd say, week, 2 weeks, I've been replaying Last Light and 2033 just to run through those again. And the jump from that game to this game is really crazy. I feel like my sensitivity is a bit wonky. My sensitivity is kind of wonky. Hold on. I don't know, I feel like that kind of made it a little worse. Fuck off my face, bitch. You can hear them in the pipes, dude. I forgot about that. Listen, if you listen to the pipes, oh, I didn't do it that time. No. There we are. Fuck was that? Has been a while since I last played this, so I'm probably not. I don't really remember everything. I'm basically just going to play the game until my headset dies, which is probably... It's probably not going to take that long for that to happen, I'm not going to lie. I didn't charge it for very long. Some watchmen. Some dead watchmen. Oh my god. I feel like that should have scared me more than it did. Oh shit. You can fuck right off, bitch. Should I read this? August 11th, we've arrived. So far so good, just a couple of rats. The guys are unloading the trolley. August 12th, not enough people to cover the old roadblocks. Kolya went to get some more volunteers, but for now we'll just cover the platform and the airlock. It looks like, oh god, Mikhailich isn't going to finish the repairs anytime soon. The mechanism is rusted solid. August 13th, shot a couple of watchmen. The beast got inside unnoticed under their steps. Cunning fuckers. The airlock drive is dead. Mikhailich says he can't promise anything. We're running short on filters. Time to improvise. I guess we'll just weld the gate shut with a sheet of steel and think later. August 14th, there's a stampede of watchmen up there. They haven't attacked yet, but still, Kolya brought the welding apparatus, but we can't even start the work. As soon as we make the slightest noise, they start howling up there. For now, we decided on setting up some traps. Oh shit. Better cut that bullshit out. Motherfucker. Some more ammo. Mikhailich. I'm guessing he shot himself? I don't know. This is what I fucking need right here. That'll help me out tremendously. I don't fucking know how to say it. Artyom Chiornich. Admitted on Come On, It's the Third Time. Radiation sickness, relapsed, light form, approx dose 1 to 1.5. Guy. No going to the surface for a year at least. And it was right back to doing the same shit he was always doing. But you're wrong. Maybe. My wiener! Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs. Oh. That was a little spooky. Let's make sure my shit's working. Yes, ma'am.
Now that's what I call a blizzard. Can't see a thing. Or hear. Let's switch to radio. What the? Artyom, are you seeing this? I'm not just imagining things, right? A plane! A damn plane on the surface! Where? Shit, what do we do, Artyom? Should we catch up with it? Look! It's our guys from the Order! Looks like they're chasing that train too. Let's join them! How did you guys get here? Did you see that thing out there?
Yep. They tossed my salad. Medkit. Just what I need. Oh, shit. Alright, well, guys, I think in terms of this, I'm going to call it here for now, because I already have 34 minutes of footage, which will take me like 0 time to edit, so you don't have to worry about it taking 10 years for me to get it out. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like I said, I am more than willing to do Metro 2033 and Last Light. I will record both of those. I already intend on recording, I forget what it was called, 2039. When that comes out, I will be recording that, the whole fucking thing, and posting it out as well. So yeah. Bye, mofo.